And here we are, the moment everybody was waiting for, the reunion with the Lion Pride. Now, a lot of people ask me if the lions are even gonna remember me and recognize me. I mean, we gotta keep in mind the lions have no interaction with humans at all. And I was gone for more than 2 months. Now, within those 2 months, the lions got bigger, stronger, heavier, and with that much more dangerous. They might even had some fights amongst each other and rankings changed, which I'm not aware of at this stage. But overall, we are one family, we are one pride, and I'm incredibly excited to be united with them again. You became big, my boy. Look at that mane. Oh, my boy. Ooh. Oh. You're getting a mane too. Finally, bro. Look at this. Where does that comes from? He didn't had that type of mane before. That's Leo, by the way, for those ones who don't know him yet. What's up?
Being back feels so amazing. I mean, just being surrounded by those you feel the most welcomed with. That's just the most beautiful and rewarding thing ever.
How can you stick your face right into those thorns? Here you can see the difference between lions and humans. Like, who of you guys would stick his face right into those thorns? And for him, it's like a massage. It's like a little peeling, isn't it? So as you guys can see, there is absolutely no doubt that they didn't recognize me. Once you're family, you're gonna be family forever.
And then, something totally unexpected happened. I suddenly realized what a gift it is to be part of such a lion pride.
It's just unbelievable how much they can give somebody. I feel like a different person when I'm out here. And I miss them so much. Oh, my girl. Oh. I didn't expect this to come. But it's just, I can't find the right words to describe it because it's so overwhelming and it's so intense, the energy they give somebody. It's just, and you know, to know and reconfirm all the time over and over again that somebody tells you you're part of their family, you're part of, and it's not like with humans that they only say it. It's that they make you feel it. And that's a different level. That's a different level of love, of satisfaction, of everything. Now you know why I gave up my entire life back there in Switzerland to be able to move to Africa and
live with them here.
So, according to the structure of the Pride, I didn't see any real changes, and even in the personalities. I mean, Leo is still the Leo he was before, Snow and all the other ones as well. There was maybe something going on between Dexter and Snow. I'm not 100% sure, but over the next few days, while feeding and while other situations, I will have to, just see it step by step what really changed, if something changed. But according to me now, my first impression of it, everything is like before. They're just much bigger, they have more hair, and they're stronger. Definitely stronger, all of them. Even Kiara and Khaleesi. Did you see their size? It's unbelievable. I gotta be honest with you guys. After thousands of people kept on asking me, will they recognize you? Will they maybe test you the way they did it with Nyla? What changed in the Pride? Any structure and this and that? Are you not scared? Are you not nervous? I really questioned myself, or I just asked myself, well, what if they would decide, hey man, you don't have a spot in the Pride anymore. I mean, you've been gone now for more than 2 months. We sorted everything out amongst each other, so there's no space for you anymore. And now, that's why I'm so overwhelmed. You could see I came back and it's like I was never gone.
The day you find your purpose in life will be the day you'll develop an understanding for how I feel right in between the Lion Pride.